Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel again. Today we are still here at Bangkok and believe it or not, at some same area I happen to come to this Wat Sangwet Witsayaram temple or awakening temple. So might as well we just take a quick tour of this area since I'm new to this area before. I didn't even know the existence of this temple, and I see the prayers, they're praying prayers, so might as well, yeah, be quiet. Good morning. Can I put shoes on it? Can I put shoes on it? Step on it? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, the reason why I ask is I know so many places in the temple they don't allow to to have shoes on the platform. Where I here see the water fountain or the artificial falls, man-made falls, I don't know. I see all the marble flooring, same as usual, really big place, and I see the, the picture right there on the wall. I believe that's one of the don't remember that picture, where that picture is from, but I assume I saw that picture somewhere else. Wow, look at this gigantic building, all golden decorations. Really big place. This time, yeah, I see the sign finally. No shoes allowed. I'm gonna take a quick walk of the worship hall to see what's going on, and yeah, let's check it out. Yep, I'm back out. No visitors today, same as usual. This is the non-developed tourist attraction. So basically this temple is 100% belong to the local. Nothing commercial, no tours, elephant god statue. Unfortunately, I don't read any of the Thai words. I'm not sure like what that says. I see another hall here to the right hand side. Might as well go check out this hall. Interesting. They have the Easter Island statues here. Oh, that's that's the something. Maybe something called culture shock. I don't know. That's the entrance of this temple area. And look at the post. Okay. Look at this chi tied with their wish tags. I believe it says what? Stable family and become rich. Become wealthy. Sure, why not? Okay. Hey, check out the left side. Look at the windows, all the decorations, and also the right hand side. A huge, gigantic jar. Water fountain. I see some tiny baby, tiny boys. Are they real or they are just statues or decorations? I can check. How are you? Ulu, ulu. That's real. See? The real frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, and they are really big. Hello, my friend. How are you today? Alright. Okay. Let's check out this way. Those folks, they are not scared from people. They are not scared of people. Okay, those I believe they are the monumentary or monument towers. Each one of them representing the, keeps the, good morning, keeps the remains of the ancestors. Here is the back of the building. Let's check it out. And I see some blue porcelains. Is it called blue porcelains here? Yes, here. Huge vase. Golden statue of one of the most famous monks who worked here before. That's why I guess. Not sure if that was correct or not. Okay. Doesn't seem this is a big area. This is a big temple, but still I found a lot to explore. Look at this bell. Wow. Old. Not sure if I'm allowed to touch or not. Okay. At least this building, there's someone here, someone in it. No. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick look. So sorry. Okay, we're out from that worship hall, and I assume this is the good morning, Sawadee Krap. This is the worship area. Sorry, this is the residential area of the monks. So yeah, really pretty, really magnificent. Nice place to visit. Super quiet, no visitors, neither tourists. Harmonic, quiet. Good to take a quick walk in a humid Saturday morning here in Thailand. Cool. Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Just say goodbye to my vlog friends. How are you guys? Oh yeah, he's not happy. He's sort of mad. He didn't want to get out. Mine. Hello my friend. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please consider like and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.